This battery supports two mounting methods: wall-mounted installation, which requires wall mounting brackets, and floor-mounted installation, which requires feet pads and fixing clips. Both of these two mounting methods require the prior determination of hole positions. When determining the hole positions, it is recommended to use the drill template. Marked with drilling positions and parallel spacing for batteries, the template allows you to easily align the holes and ensure sufficient space on the wall for battery installation. The red hole positions are for wall-mounted installation, while the blue ones are for floor-mounted installation. The wall mounting brackets used for wall-mounted installation correspond to these 8 red holes. After marking the hole positions, use a drill to bore 4 holes with a diameter of 6 mm and a depth of 70 mm. Install the wall mount bracket to concrete or brick using the included expansion bolts. Lift the battery and slide the hooks on the battery's rear bracket into the wall bracket. The battery weighs 110.2 pounds. Exercise caution when lifting it. In fact, 2-person installation is recommended. It feels sturdy and balanced. Finally, the cable management box also needs to be installed. Locate the design hole positions and you can easily secure it using hexagon socket screws and a wrench. Once the cable management box is firmly installed in place, the battery is ready for operation. For floor-mounted installation, the first step is to install these 4 support feet. Use the supplied screws to secure the support feet firmly to the bottom of the battery. Even though it is floor-mounted, we still recommend that you secure the battery to the wall with this fixing clip to prevent tipping over and accidental incidents. Similarly, this installation template is also recommended for floor-mounted installation. These 2 blue ones are the hole positions corresponding to floor-mounted installation. After marking the hole positions, you need to use a drill to bore 2 holes with a diameter of 6 mm and a depth of 70 mm. Insert the wall fixing clip into the upper bracket on the back of the battery. Note, the protruding side of the wall fixing clip must face the wall. Secure the battery to the wall using the included screws. Finally, the cable management box also needs to be installed. Locate the hole positions and you can easily secure it using hexagon socket screws and a wrench. Once the cable management box is firmly installed in place, the battery is ready for operation.